Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you why you can't see who viewed your TikTok profile. To start, open your TikTok application in your mobile device. Then head on over to your homepage over at TikTok. Once you're here, tap on your profile on the bottom right, then tap on Profile Views. And here, tap on the gear icon on the upper right. And then make sure you turn it on. This time, close TikTok. Now open your Google Play Store. Over at Google Play Store, search for TikTok. Once you find TikTok, if there is an update button, update it first, then open. Then tap on the three horizontal lines, then head on over to Settings and Privacy. Once you are in Settings and Privacy, click on Report a Problem. Then in here, tap on Account and Profile. Scroll down and look for Profile Page. Then in here, you are going to tap on Other. Now, at this part of the tutorial, you are now going to type in your problem that you have with your TikTok application. Go ahead, take your time in typing. You can also wait for me to finish typing, then you can copy what I have here on my screen. Once done, click on Submit. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.